Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money with the help of Chat GPT, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Introduction. But before we dive into the details, let me tell you a little bit about Chat GPT. It's an artificial intelligence program that can answer any question you have, generate creative ideas, and even help you write content. And the best part? It's completely free to use. So how can you use Chat GPT to earn money? Well, there are several ways. First, you can use Chat GPT to generate ideas for your blog, YouTube channel, or social media posts. Just give it a topic, and it will come up with a list of ideas for you to work with. Second, you can use Chat GPT to improve your writing. Whether you're writing a novel, a blog post, or a product description, Chat GPT can provide you with suggestions and edits to make your writing better. Third, you can use Chat GPT to answer questions for your audience. If you run a business, for example, you can use Chat GPT to answer customer inquiries or provide support. And finally, you can use Chat GPT to automate your customer service. With the help of Chat GPT, you can create a chatbot that can handle customer inquiries, saving you time and resources. Call to action. So there you have it, folks. Those are just a few ways you can use Chat GPT to earn money. If you want to learn more about this amazing tool, be sure to check out their website and start using it today. Conclusion. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.